good love buds? Welcome back to the channel, or if you are new, welcome. I am Jelani. If you're new, I'd love for you to go ahead and subscribe right down there and then hit the little bell so you know when I post, because apparently I'm about to start recording on this channel because this is my second time recording for this channel, but the first one didn't get uploaded yet. This one probably get uploaded first. But yes, so make sure y'all subscribe because I'm about to start posting again. So y'all probably look at the title like, she got stuff for free, I want to get stuff for free. Yep, I'm about to tell y'all how. So before I even open my VoxBox, I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about Influenster. It's an app, and it's for influencers. I guess you don't have to be an influencer, but I feel like most people that actually are on this app are definitely influencers, probably makeup gurus, so they can get makeup for free and test different products. It's kind of like a subscription box maybe, but you're not subscribing. So this is what you have to do. I'm not really sure when I actually joined this app. I want to say it was like last year. Pause. If y'all hear something, it's Lyric. She's eating and probably gonna make noise. But I saw a video of this girl and she was talking about how she got products for free. So I'm like, I want to do that. I mean, I'm not really into makeup. This is like before I was really like trying to get into makeup. Like, I'm not really into makeup, but I want to try, like, because you can get more than just makeup, you know. So I went ahead and downloaded the app. Now I downloaded the app, and what you do basically when you first start, it's like a survey kind of. You fill out all the information about your stuff, about yourself, like what kind of products you use here, what kind of products you use, what kind of products you use. Okay, she's doing that. She's doing that on purpose, so I'm just gonna talk over her. What kind of products you use during, you know, your regular makeup routine, your skin tone, your eye tone, different kind of stuff like that. Basically so they can get like a head start of what you use and, you know, things like that. When you are able to get a box, they already know a little bit about you. So that's what you do when you first start the app. And then when you get into the app, basically what you do for this app is you just review things. Literally, you know how I get hair and clothes and I review it? That's literally all you have to do on this site. Take pictures. That also helps you your better chances of getting a VoxBox. What else? If you ask questions about other people, about products that you don't know about, ask questions. It's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do on those apps. So I just say go check it out yourself and get started, because you never know. Like, honestly, I didn't think that it was possible to get a box. So I stopped using the app because I'm like, all right, obviously I can't get nothing, because why they ain't say nothing to me yet. So then my homegirl Lex, if y'all not subscribed to her channel name is literally Lex, and she just texted me just now. That was weird. But she posted on her Instagram that they emailed her about getting a box, and I'm like, what? I had this app for the longest. Why they ain't email me about getting a box? Why they ain't email me about getting a box? So then she said she been reviewing and reviewing. So I said, well, shoot, I'm about to start reviewing and reviewing. And I swear, like a few weeks later, they hit me up and was like, you're in the running, da 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 da. So I was like, yes. And then both of us, we were still reviewing, doing reviews, and we like asked each other for real, did they say anything? Like, have they sent you anything? We're like, no. So we just continue reviewing and reviewing. And then like a few days ago, I got the email and I texted her like, did they hit you up? And she was like, thanks for telling me they hit me up. And we both got the same box. So yeah, that y'all just gotta keep reviewing. If y'all get in the app, keep reviewing, ask questions, post pictures, do whatever you can. They have this new feature where you can do like a video review, so you could do that. Yeah, so if you're gonna get on the app, make sure y'all just do a whole bunch of reviewing, because that's how y'all gonna get a box. So now let's get straight into the opening of my VoxBox. So this is the box they sent me. It's a little cute box. It's so small. I think it's like 3 products in here. It's like 3 products in here. I'm not really sure because obviously I haven't opened it yet. And it says Influenster. That's the name of the app. Then it says hashtag sleek on fleek, which is what this box is obviously is. It's sleek makeup. I haven't heard about them, but she showed me a screenshot of their Instagram, and they got a lot of followers, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about sleek makeup. If y'all do, you know, let me know how, if y'all have anything in this box, how the stuff works, and so on and so forth. I don't know if that's how you say it, and so on and so forth, you know, but whatever. Oh man, my box is messed up from the tape, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna open it up. Yes, I'm so excited because we really been waiting for this for a long time. So it comes with a little pamphlet, and this says Influencer Sleek Makeup with 3 loose pigments on it. I guess it's telling me everything that's in this box. So yeah. Oh, it's just a little bit something, but it's my first one, so I can't really ask for much. So I have a highlighting elixir. I don't know. It's illuminating drops. That's what it is. Oh, yes, Lord. Gonna be glowing in the summer. I have a Life Proof 12-hour water metallic eyeliner. Let's see. Can I see the color? Where's the color? Is this the name of the color? Money made me do it. I like it. I could have used this today. It's like a gold. Hold on, let me show y'all if y'all can see. It's like a gold a little bit. I like that. Maybe like a rose gold type. And then I have one of the loose pigments, basically in the same color. Let me see the name. This one is called Dazed. But yeah, everything is like a goldish. Really? Are you copying me? Everything is like gold basically, and I love gold. I love working with gold. I don't really like silver. It's not me unless I'm wearing silver and I have to. But yes, so this came in my first VoxBox. Ain't nothing else. It's just paper. But I appreciate it because it's my first one, and I hope to get more because I'm about to start reviewing, okay? Loose pigments, they're new. They have 3 colors. The highlighters, they have 3 colors, and then the metallic, they have 3 colors. So I'm pretty sure they sent me each color that goes together. Can y'all see? So yes. And this is what they tell you to do. I mean, you probably don't have to do it, but this is what they tell you to do. It says log into your Influenster app. That's the first step. Start using your sleek products. So I use the products in here, and then write a review and share on your social tagging. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm excited. I wanted to wait so bad because I knew this stuff was coming. Like, I just knew it was coming. I had other stuff that I ordered from Ulta, and I knew this stuff was coming. But any other time, UPS won't get here early in the morning. But today, it got here late, and I wasn't even home. So, I already did my makeup, and y'all like my makeup. Actually, I don't have no foundation on and nothing. I just got highlighter, my eyebrows, and eyeshadow. Y'all like? I'm trying. So, y'all, go download the app. This ain't sponsored or nothing. It's not. I decided I wanted to do this, and I did it. So, yo, go download the app so y'all can get some free stuff. Don't nobody not like free stuff. Exactly, girl. Don't nobody not like free stuff. Everybody like free stuff. So, if y'all want to see more videos like this, you know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, you know, what other videos you guys would like to see. Minus stuff like this. And, yes, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Turn the notifications on, because I tell you again, YouTube ain't going to tell you when I post. And I said I'm posting. Okay? Okay. So, yes. Go get y'all one. I say go get y'all one because all y'all gotta do is review. It's not hard. It's really not that hard. And until next time, I'm gonna catch y'all with another video. I don't know what I'm gonna say on here yet. So for now, it's just gonna be because that's the vibe I'm going for.